In this video, you'll learn how to send cryptocurrency from your OKX wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to transfer various tokens securely and efficiently. Start by opening the OKX app on your device. Once the app is launched, locate and select the wallet option from the main menu. This will take you to the wallet section where you can manage your assets. From here, tap on Web3 Wallet to access your cryptocurrency holdings. Next, you need to choose the specific token you wish to send, such as Bitcoin, Tether, or Ethereum. Browse through the list of available tokens, and selected you will see options related to that particular cryptocurrency. After selecting your token, tap on the send option. You may also see withdraw as a label. Either option will direct you to the next step here. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Make sure to input this information accurately, as any errors could result in the loss of funds. Following the wallet address entry, select the appropriate network for the transaction. It is crucial that the network you choose matches the recipient's wallet network to ensure successful delivery. Double check this detail carefully. Now enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Type in the exact amount and take a moment to review the wallet address, selected network, and the amount entered. Ensuring these details are correct is vital before proceeding to the next step. To confirm the transaction, tap on Next or Confirm. Depending on your security settings, you may need to enter your wallet password or PIN. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to input the required code as well. After you've confirmed the transaction, it will initially appear as pending while waiting for network confirmation. This process can take varying amounts of time depending on network congestion. Once the necessary confirmations are complete, the cryptocurrency will be sent and reflected in the recipient's wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.